Problem solving. The ability of problem solving is a basic life skill and is essential to our day. Today lives at home, at school, and most importantly at work. In the current fast-changing global economy, employers often identify problem solving as a crucial factor to success of their organization. Problem solving is the process of identifying a problem, developing possible solution or path and taking the appropriate course of action. Note, problem solving is a continuous process, not a single event. Sometimes chosen solutions don't work or need adjustment. Importance of problem solving process. It ensures consistency, as everyone understands the approach to be used and also by using data. It helps eliminate bias and the preconceptions, which leads to greater objectivity. Problem solving also helps in removing divisions and encourage collaborative working while preventing group from diverging into different problems and help the group reach consensus during the process.
Business problems. Business problems which are found in an information system and can be solved by the problem-solving process are differentiated into three main categories, which are organizational problems, technological problems, and people problems.
Organizational problems, poor or outdated business process, unsupportive culture and attitude, political infighting, turbulent business environment, complexity of tasks, inadequate or insufficient resources. Technological problems, insufficient or aging hardware, outdated software, inadequate database capacity, insufficient telecommunication capacity, incompatibility of old system with new, paid technological change. People problems, lack of employee training, difficulty of evaluating performance, legal and regulatory compliance, work environment ergonomics, poor or indecisive management, lack of employee support or participation.
We have 4 steps of problem-solving process. The problem-solving process consists of 4 steps which can be applied on all business situations that arise in a workplace and help solve problems in a more collaborative and systematic approach. The first one is problem identification. The second is solution design. The third is choice, and the last one is implementation. First step is problem identification. In this step, agreement that a problem exists so the resolution can be more competent and define the problem to embrace or rules aiming for solving the issue. Then, identify the cause of the problem so that can help for all aspects of fixing the issue. And finally, what can be done with the firm's giving resources. Second step is solution design. In this step, offer many possible solutions and consider as many as possible to understand the range of solutions. And finally, some solutions emphasize technology, others focus on change in the organization and people's aspect of the problem.
Third choice. Factors include first, cost. Second, feasibility given skill and resources. Third, length of time needed to implement solution. Fourth, attitude and support of employees and managers. Fourth, implementation. Building or purchasing a solution. Testing solution, employee training, change management, measurement of outcomes, feedback, evaluation of the solution.
Critical thinking. First, it is the sustained suspension of judgment with an awareness of multiple perspectives and alternatives. Second, without critical thinking, it's easy to jump into conclusion and misjudge a problem and waste resources. Third, critical thinking doesn't guarantee a correct solution yet. It is the best protection against incorrect result. Fourth, the main goal of critical thinking is to change for the better. 4 elements of critical thinking: maintaining doubt and suspending judgment, creative look to the problem, testing alternative and letting experiences guide, being aware of different perspectives including technology, organization, and people perspective, being aware of organizational and personal limitation. In conclusion, Problem-solving process and critical thinking refers to the ability to use knowledge and facts effectively solve a problem and how to help the company to implement the right and wise solution to a given problem for the sake of the company and its employees.
Thank you for listening. This presentation was brought to you by the member of Gold Diggers.